How to contact Microsoft support. Got a problem with Windows, Office, Xbox, or your Microsoft account? Don't worry. Microsoft support is here to help, so let's walk you through the easiest ways to reach them. Step 1, head to the official Microsoft support page and then sign in with your Microsoft account. Choose your product and you'll see tailored help options. Now, need to talk to someone? You can start a live chat with a support agent or request a callback so Microsoft calls you directly, no waiting on hold. On Windows, open the Get Help app and just type Get Help in the start menu and you'll get instant troubleshooting or a direct link to support. On Xbox, go to Settings, Support to connect with Microsoft directly about gaming or device issues. Prefer mobile? Use the Microsoft Support app or visit the website from your phone to chat or request a callback. And for quick questions, Microsoft also responds on Twitter at Microsoft Helps. Just remember, don't share sensitive account details there. So whether it's chat, phone, the Get Help app, or social media, Microsoft makes it easy to get support you need. So next time you run into an issue, you'll know exactly where to go.